question, and I think it's super important for people to be aware of how adjunctive it can be with other technologies and other things in the toolbox, because we often do have clients that come to us and they are going to a dermatologist and they are on a spirulactone or a doxycycline or a retinol, or possibly even an Accutane that they previously used or are using. And we're very limited sometimes with a lot of the actives that we have and a lot of the products that we have. So Phyla comes in right there, and you can use it with that. You can use it for pregnancy. You can use it on lactating moms, and you can use it also during, any treatment of doxycycline. And as we talked, even with the Accutane treatment, which is kind of unheard of. Normally, we're kind of like, we don't treat anybody with Accutane, and derms tend to kind of give a go-to of a Cetaphil or a CeraVe. And I get that. It's because it doesn't harm, and it's pretty safe. But Phyla comes in where you can use something that's actually going to benefit the skin. It's not going to just kind of be, just complacent and not do anything. It's going to give it something back for the long-term health of the skin. So I think it's an excellent tool that we have there to utilize with anything. We could do our treatments with it. We can go in and do chemical peels. We can do some microneedling, nano. We can do, microderm if we want to. Potentially even laser treatments can be incorporated into it long term, with acne scarring and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and things like that. So it being able to be utilized in such a vast manner is almost unheard of. And I think we need to congratulate the fact that you have that product on the market, because it is really impressive and it's really useful for us. And not only when we're treating it, but also long term. So after they get off of any of these, more aggressive treatments, then they can continue to use it. Whereas a lot of time we kind of, have that big bang for our buck right there. But then again, they have that rebound inflammation, rebound, breakout. So it's just very useful that we can do it in so many aspects. And it's vegan as well, which I want to point out, because there's a lot more of people with food allergies and food concerns and different requirements that, you have to adjust to, and you don't want to be so limited. So this is like really all around just a great product for a lot of that. So